In this video, we will delve into the social and cultural implications of the net, exploring how it shapes our daily lives and how it reflects what renowned sociologist Manuel Castells. Join us as we examine this transformation force and its profound impact on the modern world. According to Manuel Castells, the culture of the Internet is deeply intertwined with the values and practice of its creators, who were also the earliest users. In this perspective, it's important to differentiate between two types of users: the producers, users, who actively contribute and shape the technological system, and the consumers, and users too, who use applications and systems without directly influencing their development. Through their collective use, still indirectly impact the system. The culture of the Internet is essentially the culture of its creators. It encompasses a set of values, beliefs, and collective behaviors that guide the actions of its members and become institutionalized as norms or our customs. Unlike ideology or individual representation, culture is a collective construction that transcends personal preferences and shapes the interactions of its members. In the case of the net, this culture is not only shaped the medium itself, but also drove its initial configuration, featured by a focus on innovation, collaboration, and participation. The culture of the Internet can be divided into four key layers, each with its own features and impact on the story and evolution of the net. One, the meritocratic culture. This is the culture of the tech elites, focused on technological development and open collaboration. In this culture, contributions to knowledge and network programming are valued as key elements. Peer review and reputation are crucial for recognition and rank within the community. Second, the hacker culture acts as a bridge between the techno-meritocratic culture and Internet business project. It defends autonomy in projects and free access to technology. Hackers value both freedom and the commercialization of their innovation and are organizing communities with clearly defined rules and sanctions for those who break the rules. Third are the virtual communities. These communities form online to share values, interests, and activities. Horizontal communication, self-directed connectivity, and freedom of expression are fundamental. Although social activities reflect life online, they allow users to create and share their own information. And fourth, the entrepreneurial culture of the Internet, driven by the entrepreneurs who transform the business world by recognizing the potential of the network. It focuses on innovation and the financial market, where success decisions depend on factors like investment in stocks and instant gratification rather than personal satisfaction. These four layers, they are interrelated and have contributed to build a predominant ideology in the world of the Internet based on freedom. This freedom encompasses access to knowledge, creation, innovation, and participation on the web. An example of this is Bill Gates and Microsoft, which symbolize a kind of entrepreneurial culture, at least in the early stage of the company. However, they were not producers of the Internet in technological terms. Social movements have been profoundly impacted by the Internet, especially through social networks that function as autonomous spaces, largely outside of the control of governments and corporations. These movements often emerge from a specific social sector, indigenous, neighborhoods, rural, working class, that became an actor to reivindicate a democratic movement, as social demands are politically represented and the conflict is manageable. Internet and wireless networks allow for mass self-communication, enabling that senders to independently decide the content and what they receive. The process in Egypt on January 2011 emerged as a response to social and political oppressions. According to Castells in 2015, the role of the Internet was crucial, providing a space for dissent and a platform for mass self-reivindication and communication. The call to action was initiated by Asma Magouf from a viral video blog. The online resistance shaped spaces and social networks expanded the mobilization and organization capacity, demonstrating how technology facilitates popular communication and resistance. Other movement, the movement Woman Life Freedom, in 2022, sparked by the death of Masha Amini, while in police custody, quickly spread to other cities, challenged traditional norms, Social media was crucial in this movement. Despite government restrictions on platforms like YouTube or Facebook, Instagram became the main medium for sharing images, videos, and news, allowing the spread of police violence and symbolic acts like live haircuts or on TikTok and Instagram. Despite the government's harsh repression, social media play a key role in organizing the mobilization support for the protest. Also, internet has had significant impact on the economy, driving exponential growth in electronic financial transactions and global trade. This is evident in the creation of electronic stock markets like Nasdaq and future markets like Eurex, Live, and Matif. Companies like Charles Schwab have adopted predominantly electronic models. This change has created a new type of economic transactions where speed, complexity, and instant reactions are crucial. We rely on predictive mathematical models and advanced algorithms driven by fast internet connections. This transformation has a profound impact on the global economy, altering investment dynamics and how business operates in a globalized environment. In conclusion, the impact of the internet on society has been profoundly and multifaceted, particularly in the realm of social movements and economy. The movement Women Life Freedom, for example, in 2022, highlights how digital platforms have empowered marginalized groups to challenge oppressive regimes, using social media to organize, share information, and amplify dissent despite government restrictions. Similarly, the integration of technology in financial market, as Castells describes, has transformed the economy, creating new types of transaction and altering global dynamics. As the world becomes increasingly digital, understanding these changes is essential for comprehending the broader implication of internet-driven society and this economic shift.